Professor Lee. So today we'll be decoding this code that you gave us, and you also already gave us the answer, but we need to explain it. So we're starting off by making a node, a pointer of head that's going to be pointing into data, and we're going to immediately set 75 into that storage space of data. So, however, one of the questions that you asked is why does it fail, or what happens to if we don't put head equals next to null, is it would fail. It would be like a chicken without a head. That storage it wouldn't close, so it would just be open. However, uh, C++ is very kind, and it already gives us, even if we don't put it, it gives us the null next, x equals null, as you can see down here. However, we need to write that manually because not all languages would do that for us. So it becomes a good habit to write that so that no errors could happen in the future. So let's step through it again. Now, like I explained, the reason why this would fail is because the next up here, head equals next null, wouldn't exist, so this would fail immediately. Um, so now the next question would be, why do we just delete head instead of deleting temp as well? That's because we're just pointing from temp to head. So if we delete, I mean, my bad, from head to temp. So if we delete head, that means that temp should also be zero. So or null. So or nothing. So if this is nothing, this should be nothing because this is like pointing at that, and that's pointing at data. So there you go. Thank you. Have a good one.